how to produce the DMX HDMI player. The first, I will plug in the SD card. And then I will plug in all the cable for testing. HDMI cable, power cable, USB mouse, loading the firmware to the display. Plug in the DMX cable. Now I can power on. This is a totally new system, like reset the system, a new Android PC. And first I took out all the icons from the desktop. Just holding the left key, move to the delete, something like your mobile phone, and click this big button, go to the setting. The first, I change the language. Remember this icon like Earth. Going in, we click here, the first one, language, add a new one. English. Okay, United States. Move to top. Okay, the system already changed. And go to display, wallpaper, gallery. Choose the dark one. Okay. Go to the screen DPI. I want to set up a higher DPI. In this case, the device needs to reboot, so we need to wait a little bit for that. Okay, the system is running again. We need to go to the big bottom again, go to setting, and go to display again, go to the sound output, system UI first. We want to hiding the state bar. Okay, now it's more clear. Go to sound output setting. I want to output to the speaker. Okay, on here all the setting already done. And now we need to install the application for the video player. Go to the Explorer, go to SD card. This is the application for the video player installed. I will not running directly. I will click done, go back, go to the setting to check again the permission first. Go to apps, video playback, check the permission, the storage, it is on. Okay, now everything was done. Just open it. Okay, I will send the DMX signal. Change the values. Change back. Change the values. Okay, everything is done.